Hi guys, Kirsty Resonates here. I just set up a Neergabby for the fireworks tonight so that I would show you the stall. So we're doing the markets again. Don't forget, if you're watching me on YouTube, to hit follow. You can check me out on TikTok, Instagram or Facebook. Kirsty Resonates. And here is some of my stock. If you see anything that you like, please feel free to message me and let me know. So that again is TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Give me a like, a follow. Kirsty Resonates. All hand poured. Some of the pigments glow in the dark. Some products light up. Something for everyone. It's resin.